Okay, so today is Thursday. Let's do a little day in the life. So today we're taking the kids to my mom's and having our anniversary day to ourselves. Our anniversary was 2 days ago on the 14th, our 9th marriage anniversary, but it was like a normal work day. So the kids had gymnastics that day too. So today is when we're gonna celebrate it. So spend the day with us. You scared me! Stairmaster in real life. Still got a ways to go. What the fuck? You really got me out here climbing mountains, bro. Lucky?
Yeah.
Oh, the choice. Don't fall into one of them. Elevation, 383 feet, half a mile. ¿Tienes calor?
A little bit.
Unzip your thingy. De la ropa.
Claro que sí.
Looks weird. Fix my socks. I love the sound of gunshots in the morning. Said no one ever. Whoa. That, you know how old this cactus must be? How old do you think?
150.
About 50? Okay, Narco. Shit. Okay, I'm dressed. We're dressed. It's later than expected. Here's my fit. I just put on a little crop top, some flared leggings, and my Air Force Ones, and my jean jacket. G2G. Ramses is gonna try on a few things. He never buys himself anything. I have to force him. This is the problem of being short. These are short style and they're still a little long. And these are at 8. I used to wear 10. So I was like, oh, I'm probably at 8 now. But look. They're still big, so I think I'm a 6.